Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Nicoleta, and with over 20 years of experience in global sales and business development, I've seen what it takes to succeed in the world of business. So today I'm excited to share with you 5 essential qualities that are absolutely worth having when you start your business. Whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur or you are just starting in the world of business, these qualities could be your lighting guide on your journey to success. Starting a business is a roller coaster ride. The first quality is resilience and perseverance. There will be highs and lows, unexpected challenges, and moments of doubt. That's where resilience will come in. The ability to bounce back from the setbacks and keep pushing forward is critical. Perseverance is what will keep you going when things get tough. Remember, every business owner faced hurdles. It's how they dealt with them that made the difference. So picture this. It is the early days of your new business. The excitement is very high as you launch your new product into the market. You've put months and months of thinking into the business, of working hard, of doing the right things, and invested your heart and soul into the venture. And then reality kicks. In the first months, you will see that the sales are not that high as you expected. You will see that you are facing unexpected challenges like maybe production delays or unexpected competition, or maybe customers who aren't receiving your product as you thought initially. That's what happened with Sarah, who is an entrepreneur and she wanted to open her own bakery. When she started, she had the passion of baking and a dream of sharing her delicious creations with the world. The initial response was very good, but when she started, she saw that the orders slowed down. Sarah could have given up, but instead she took a step back and she thought, what was her business missing? And what she saw, it was that basically she missed a unique selling point. The customers were not connecting with her product and with her business. So instead of throwing the towel, she decided to do a review on her marketing strategies, and she's starting to do more and more social media in which she showed her face, she explained the story behind the products and the passion that she's having for giving back to the community. So then her community showed interest and saw her passion, and then they discovered also the delicious taste of her product. So that's how Sarah, she was able with resilience and perseverance to put her business back on the map. Instead of giving up, Sarah decided to take a step back, reevaluate her marketing strategy, and listen carefully to the customer feedback. And what she saw, it was that basically she was missing a unique value selling point, which is the story behind her creation and the connection to her community. So she decided to make some changes and she started to incorporate local ingredients, and she made traditional recipes that spoke better to her community. She began sharing her journey as an entrepreneur on social media, allowing her customer to see the face behind the bakery. And slowly but surely, things started changing. Over time, Sarah's bakery gained a lot of followers and also customers. The customers were not only connected to her traits, but also they were connected to her story and determination to deliver high quality of their or of her products. And her resilience in face of challenges and her perseverance to never give up transformed the struggling bakery into a successful business. Okay, now back to our discussion about essential qualities for a new business owner. We are going to discuss about adaptability and flexibility. If you remember from my last video, I will put it right here, we were talking about AI transformation into the sales process. So in the paced business landscape, change is constant. Being adaptable and flexible allows you to embrace new technologies, market trends, and customer preferences. A rigid approach can slow down growth, so you need to be open, pivoting your strategies and adapting to evolving circumstances. This quality will help your business stay relevant and competitive. In the ever evolving world of business, imagine your company as a ship navigating through unpredictable waters. You have your course already set, but then there are unexpected storms and shifted currents that are inevitable. This is where adaptability and flexibility become your guiding stars. Mark, an entrepreneur who had a small online clothing store, when he began his journey, he decided to have more of the special clothing for special events. Business was steady, but Mark noticed a change in the preferences of his customers. Casual and more athletic clothing was gaining popularity, and also e-commerce giants, they were finding ways to ship in a faster time. Now Mark faced a choice: stick to the original plan or do some changes in order to fit the customer requirements. He chose the latter, demonstrating adaptability and flexibility in actions. So he's expanding his product range to incorporate casual wear and athletic wear, introduce faster shipping options, and even incorporated eco-friendly materials in response to the growing sustainability trend. By staying adaptable, Mark not only retained his customers, but also attracted new customers and new demographic seeking casual clothing. The business world is like a dynamic puzzle with pieces that are keep changing the shape. Trends, new technologies, and customer behavior change overnight. But those who possesses adaptability and flexibility can reshape their strategies, their approach, and seize new opportunities. So, just like Mark, you can embrace change, pivot your strategies, and never fear about the waters that might come into the future of your business. So far, we were talking about resilience and perseverance, about adaptability and flexibility. And now, the third essential quality is passion and vision. Passion is the driving force behind every successful business. It's what fuels your determination and keeps you excited about your venture, even when challenges arise. Alongside passion, there is the vision that is essential because it keeps your goals and your long term vision into the right direction. And also, it creates for you the long-term objectives. Effective communication. No business operates in isolation. Effective communication is the cornerstone of building relationship with partners, with customers, with suppliers, with your investors, and with your own employees. They having a clear communication ensures everyone is on the same line, there will be no misunderstandings, and foster collaboration. Whether it's pitching your idea to your investors, negotiating deals, or resolving conflicts, it is a must to really have a really good communication skill when you start your new business. Problem solving attitude. Business exists to solve problems and fulfill needs. Having a problem solving attitude means approaching challenges as opportunities for innovation. Embrace a mindset that seeks creative solutions, encourages thinking outside of the box, and is willing to take calculated risks. Your ability to solve problems will set your business apart from your competitors and contribute to your business growth. And there you have it, the 5 essential qualities that any entrepreneur should have when they decide to start a business: resilience and perseverance, adaptability and flexibility, passion and vision, effective communication, and problem solving attitude. These qualities will serve you as your foundation, guiding you through the ups and downs of any entrepreneurship. Remember, building a business, a successful business, is a journey, and cultivating these qualities will not only lead up to a successful business, but will also make you grow as a person. So thank you very much, and if you like this video, please subscribe and push the like button, and don't forget to follow me on the other social media. Stay tuned for the other videos that will come up. Take care, bye bye, and don't forget to unlock your sales potential. Bye.